Hey bulls, how you guys? Go straight ahead and go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to be taking the Benefit Pro-less Matte Rescue. Wearing that so much makeup, but this primer right here, it's coming to be my summer favorite primer. We can see that. I'm just going to use my bare hand just to massage it all over my face, all over. Okay, just to, you know, keep my face a little bit intact, not too dewy. I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I'm just going to apply that on my T-zone, just one pump. We are good, and then use my finger to distribute it all over the place I need it, especially my nose area and my cheeks. To get oil fastly on my cheeks, so my T-zone, my nose, and my cheeks. My Too Faced mattifying setting spray. Just going to shake it and then spray that skin weightless foundation. You guys know I said it on my previous video. I love to use this foundation. Basically, it's super lightweighted in the shade 10.0. So I'm just going to shake it. So I don't need that much foundation. I've not been wearing foundation for a couple of 3 weeks now. Wearing a powder and concealer, which I'm going to be showing you in this video, the concealer I was using. Alright, so I'm just going to apply. Taking the retightening sponge. To do that, I'm going to be using the other side. Because in summer, you guys know we are more darker. Okay, in summer I'm more dark, in winter I'm a little bit lighter, period. This foundation is in a shade, sure darling, there's my shade, L'Oreal bronze powder. This one is in number 4. I'm just going to set my face just a very little bit, just like so. Conceal to highlight under my eye, others area. I'm going to be taking this Bobbi brown concealer in the shade dark biscuit. Been using this concealer now for over 3 weeks. I only use it under my eye. I don't highlight my nose, my forehead, my chin, or my cupid's bone. Reason being, because I was always on the go. I got no time. I'm going to highlight those areas that needs to be highlighted again. You know how we do it. So just like so. These are minimizing summer makeup look, because the weather is pretty hot out. Too much on your face. How we do it, baby girl? To be taking the Juvia's Place concealer. This is the only one I can grab right now beside on my makeup. I don't have any other concealer that I've been using of lately. This one is in number 7. Normally I've been always bronzing my face. I've not been using any cream contour, if that makes sense. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add extra drama. You guys know how we do it. We're all over the place, period. Do what makes you happy, baby girl. That was Mama taught you, and she never denied it. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to let that concealer sit. So while that is sitting, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Factory brush. I'm just going to blend out my cream contour. Just have a sculpture face, sculpture or whatever, I don't know. Sculpty, sorry, say a little bit that we have a shadow right there. So yeah, a beauty blender. I'm just going to go ahead and start blending this highlight area. I can't remember the last time I highlighted my nose or contour my nose. Like seriously guys, it was really a struggle, but it worth it. Every bit of me not doing all these things, it worth it. Okay, very light-weighted concealer. I love the concealer a lot. To blend out my nose properly, blending so that you don't see any lines where the concealer started or where the contour started. That makes sense. Taking the Benefit Luxury powder. This one is in beige. This one right here. I'm just going to press that, press until it get under my eye properly. I don't need to do too much with this look. I'm going to do extra sharp contour. I'm going to be taking the Artdeco Bronzy Powder Compact, and this one is in number 5. And I'm going to take my Makeup Factory. I'm going to take this shade right here at all because it looks scanty under my eye. I'm just going to set my contour with that. This is a very subtle and beautiful bronzer powder. So to blush my cheeks, a little bit of dimension on my cheeks, I'm going to be taking the Be Creative Makeup blush. This one is called Flirty in number 5. Just do one dab and then kind of, you know, blend everything together. Wow, I'm loving my face right now. Left to highlight is an option. Okay, highlight is an option. You can go ahead and highlight. You can still leave your face bare like that. And the beige Cosmetic Chocolate Cherry Blush Palettes. And I'm going to be taking this brush by Can I Talk? by Smashbox. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, so we can have a little bit of glow going on. And on my chin and the forehead. Face once again with the Too Faced setting spray before I go in and do my eyebrow. And start to do my eyebrow. I'm going to be taking, you guys know I'm going to be taking my Ride or Die favorite Catrice eyebrow pencil. This one is a Smartic in chocolate. Going to be highlighting or cleaning my brow, taking the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. So I'm just going to be doing one dot to that, one dot to that, and the rest goes there. That is going to serve as our eyeshadow base. I'll be taking the Juvia concealer brush, just going to clean my brow. Yes, so I'm going to be taking my concealer brush. I'm just going to blend first the edges, my inner corner and my outer corner, before I go into the middle lid. I'm also going to be using my Benai powder to set that. Move to our eyeshadow, bybel palette by BH Cosmetics. This one right here, that is going to serve as nostalgia color. I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic. I'm just going to blow that all over my eye, all over my crease. Basically, I'm not doing any guideline today. Okay, I just want something on my crease before I go in with the main lid color. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm going to apply that for extra color or dimension, if that's the right word. So yeah, I don't want too much color on my crease. It's coming out a little bit too much, which I don't want. I'm taking this color, this is a skin tone shade. It's going to bring it down a little bit, if that makes sense. Yeah, that we're talking, baby girl. That we're swacking. Have it like that. Before it was just so bold, and we are not going for any bold look. We are just going to for baby girl summer vibe, you know. So for my lid color, and I'm taking this beautiful nude shade right here, this one right here. Yes, to be too pronounced. I just want to have some highlight on my lid. That is why I'm even applying it. All right here, I'm just going to blow that on my under eye. Which is this shade right here. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my brow bone for a little bit of highlight. So I bump into cream eyeliner by elf, and I also bought a liquid eyeliner too. I have quite from some brand. The reason being, I don't use liquid liner. I have a very sensitive eye, so when I use a liquid liner, my eye keep running, watering without non-stop. My eye is not running at all. So that is the reason why I always use liquid, which is a gel liner. So today I'm going to be trying this both. Firstly, I'm going to line my waterline with this one. That makes sense along the explanation. I'm going to be taking this elf eyeliner brush. I've been using this eyeliner brush for quite a minute, guys. It's a lifesaver. I'm going to do a very, oops, I didn't plan for that, guys. Trust me, I didn't plan for that, but it happens. What I do, you gotta fix it. When things is not well, you gotta fix it, period. In the Karl Lagerfeld by L'Oreal, I'm just going to apply that on my upper lashes and bottom lashes as well, because I already sprayed my face. To go ahead and pop on these lashes right here. I'm taking the Artdeco lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to be taking the Beauty Glaze liquid lipstick, and this one is in Cocoa K. My lips extra shine. I'm going to be taking this elf lip gloss. This one is in Champagne Glam. Guys, that's pretty much it for this makeup look. As you can tell, it was super boom boom bam. You're Gucci, you're ready, good to go, period, no argument. What more can you ask when it comes to makeup look for summer? This is going to be perfect for you. You can go to party, you can go clubbing, you can go to church, you can go for picnic, name it. You can go wrong with this kind of look. Super effortless look. I'll be right back to come show you the finished look. I'm going to remove this hairbands, clips, change my outfit. Just stick around. I'll be right back. Mama come for you to show you the finished package. You know how we do it. Booming.